With Christmas just around the corner, travelers are hitting the road in droves, hoping to make it home in time for the holidays. But for some, the journey hasn't been smooth sailing as delays in fully booked trips turn what should be a merry trip into a test of patience. Gab Villegas reports.
Jeric was going to Baguio today to go on a vacation this Christmas. Jeric left Sorsogon at 1 p.m. yesterday but only arrived at the terminal this morning. According to him, the bus he was riding had a problem somewhere in Camarines Sur and it took an hour before they were transferred to another bus.
Ng bus hindi gumagana kaya nag-transfer kami sa ibang bus naman po. Kaya kami natatagalan po.
So bali ilang oras yung hinantay niyo bago kayo nakalipat?
Mga 1 oras po. Tapos bali mabagal din po yung patakbo ng bus.
Jeric was going to buy his ticket to Baguio at the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange or PITX but found all tickets had sold out and all trips fully booked. So Jeric had no choice but to go to Pasay to find a ticket.
Fully book po yun dito. Kaya ngayon nag-iisip naman kami ng papuntang Pasay para doon maghanap ng masasakyan.
If Jeric wasn't able to secure a ticket, Grace, on the other hand, immediately bought one for her trip home to Nueva Ecija. She can only go home now because she has filed a leave from her present job. She will celebrate Christmas with her family there.
Sama-sama lang po para sa pamilya.
According to the PITX management, nearly 800,000 passengers have visited the terminal since December 19. It is expected that approximately more than 200,000 passengers will flock tomorrow. The PITX also assured passengers will still be able to buy tickets for their trips to their provinces.
Marami po tayong mga bus companies na nag-commit to add their supply. And then syempre naman po, today po, marami po tayong mga LTFRB personnel na nag-i-issue na rin ng special permits para lang din po makatugon dun sa demand natin.
The PITX management also has a reminder for those in a rush during the holidays.
Para sa mga pasahero po na habol, na babiyahe, baon po tayo ng konting pasensya lalo na po kung walk-in tayo na wala po tayong hawak na tickets. And then syempre para sa mga pasahero natin, marami pa rin po nagdadala ng mga sharp objects, flammable items. Please lang po wag na nating dalhin dahil po yan po ay mako-confiscate and then ito turn over na sa PNP.
Gab Villegas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.